In a disaster, every second counts. When a hurricane strikes or a wildfire spreads rapidly, knowing exactly where to act can save countless lives. That's where advanced AI technology steps in to make a crucial difference. The problem: slow and inaccurate mapping. Traditional mapping is slow, lacks accuracy, and delays life-saving efforts. But there's a better way. The AI solution. AI uses satellite imagery, real-time data, and advanced machine learning algorithms to map disaster zones instantly, providing critical and timely insights for rescue and relief teams. With AI-powered maps, emergency response times are cut by 40%, accuracy improves by 90%, and resources are efficiently sent where they're needed most, saving countless lives. AI is not just a tool, it's a game-changer in disaster management. By leveraging advanced algorithms and real-time data, we can predict and respond to crises faster than ever before. Imagine a world where help arrives before it's too late. That's the power of AI. Join us in this revolution. Learn more about how AI is saving lives and transforming our world. AI is transforming how we respond to disasters. Watch the full video and read the blog to learn more.